This is a press briefing by the Oyo State Commissioner of Police, CP Joe Nwachukwu Enwonwu, held at the Oyo State Police Command Headquarters, Eleyele, Ibadan, on Thursday, 26th November 2020. This is the latest update on Oyo State Police Command efforts at combating crime and criminalities after EndSARS protests. Gentlemen of the press, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you once again to this press briefing, today, Thursday, 26th November 2020. The briefing is to enable the command to update the good citizens of Oyo State and the general public of concerted effort put in place by the officers and men of the command to rid the state of disgruntled criminal elements who carried out coordinated attacks and massive carnage on police officers while on lawful duties and innocent citizens during the infamous EndSARS protests. Consequently, this has yielded positive results, and some criminal elements, including those that carried out the attacks and stealing on police stations in Iseyin, Ojo, Weda, Alakia, Adelubi, and others, that descended, brutally killed, burnt, and ate the flesh of 2 police officers at Abayomi area of Iwo Road, who have now been arrested and will be showcased here today. I'll continue to be grateful to the good-spirited people of Oyo State who have continued to assist us with credible information from time to time to make our work a lot easier. In case of emergency, the command can always be reached through those emergency control room numbers: 615 toll-free, Oyo State Security Trust Fund, and Oyo State Command Emergency Line 070-5549-5413 and 0808-176-8614. Arrest of murderer and arsonists. On 22nd of October 2020 at about 14:00 hours, 2 policemen, Sergeants Ajibola Adegoke male and Corporal Rotimi Oladele male, attached to the B Operations Department of Oyo State Police Command, were brutally attacked and killed at Abayomi area, Iwo Road, Ibadan, by some notorious hoodlums/miscreants during the infamous EndSARS protests. The hoodlums set the 2 policemen ablaze, ate their roasted bodies, and made away with their vital parts for ritual purposes. However, on 3rd November 2020 at about 22:00 hours, information was received at the Quick Intervention Unit of the Oyo State Police Command that some of the hoodlums who masterminded the heinous crimes were sighted in their hideouts within Ibadan metropolis. Sequel to this information, a team of policemen attached to the unit swung into action, and in the process, 2 of the hoodlums, who identified themselves as Kemi Adeyemo, female, and Sahid Oyedepo, male, were arrested in connection with the crime. The suspects, one of those whose face was clearly seen on a viral video recorded at the scene of the dastardly criminal acts, confessed to the crime and identified herself and others that took part in the crime in the vital video. She added in her confession that once Sahid Oyedepo, male, severed the scrotums of the 2 roasted policemen and later handed over to her. The 2 suspects have since been handed over to the Force Intelligence Bureau, FIB, Abuja, for further action. Meanwhile, further discreet investigation later led to the arrest of 2 other suspects who identified themselves as Ali Mubarak, male, and Adewale Abiodu, male, who confessed that they carted away the heads of the 2 policemen, which they later sold to a herbalist for ritual purposes for the sum of 1,000 naira only. When we make these arrests, you can find out that the people end up confessing and confirming of their involvement in the sordid act. And that is why they are all there. As soon as we leave here, you can go down and interview them. Then furthermore, I want to make one thing abundantly clear to you too. There has been allegation that the police have refused to work. That information is not correct. If you go to all the stations, the policemen are there, they are on duty, and from what you heard from the Inspector General of Police, it is obvious that some work in muffed. And you see, this hostility has not ceased in some areas in Oyo State. Sometimes when they come out, either to control traffic, some miscreants will still come to harass them and attack them with a view to intimidate them out of the road, because it's like they are blocking them from perpetrating their evil acts. But we cannot shy away from our responsibility. That is not enough to intimidate us. We will continue to arrest them. And like I've said in my previous press conferences, they can only run, but they cannot hide.
Remember of our police officer, 2 police officers, Oladele and then Sergeant. Yes, these are the remains, dismembered bones of our 2 police officers killed at Abayomi. These are the initial 2 suspects that were arrested. These other 3 were also arrested later.
Okay. What about this? ẹ dáhùn ẹjọ́ tó rà ṣe lọ sí mi kí lẹ lẹ́tẹ̀ fi rà kí lẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe ẹ fi ń ṣètùtù ọ̀la ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ máa ń tà á iṣẹ́ wo lẹ́yìn gbogbo ń ṣe iṣẹ́ wo lẹ́yìn.
Bó ti sọ̀rọ̀ pé o fẹ́ fi ṣe ètùtù ọ̀la ní kí ló tún wá ń padà sẹ́yìn sí.
Ó yá àbáwo ló ní kẹ́ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Rárá àwọn ọkọ ní ó ní kẹ́ sọ. Ó yẹ sọ fáwọn akọ̀kọ̀. Ọ̀la fẹ́ lolo fúnra yàbí fúnta ni. Ọmọdé mélòó ni ẹ́? Ilé ìwé wo ló wà? Olọ́sùn. Ọmọdé kí ló ti dúró àbí sẹ́kọ́ndì wo ló ti dé? SS3 school wo ló ti jáde? Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Níbo nìyẹn wà? Private school. Oya kí ló fà ilé gbogbo sọ̀rọ̀ sókè ìṣàlà bójú sókè. Ilé ni mo wà níjọ́ ẹ̀ lọ sí ẹ̀gbọ́n ìlú wa bá mi pé àwọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó àwọn ní alábàtà èmi ò dẹ̀ mọ́ síbẹ̀ ìrìn mi fún gbogbo sí gbági lọ aṣáàdé àti bá dá pé ọ̀nà ti ti pa aṣáàdé fún tí ìpínlẹ̀ fúgbà tó wọ́n ní aṣáàdọ̀ sí ẹ̀gbọ́n wa fún pé àwọn fẹ́ mú ẹ̀mú olóyìn sórí yẹn dá dúró sọ́tọ̀ ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wọ́n sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ mú. Orí dá dúró sọ́tọ̀ ara dúró sọ́tọ̀ ta ló gé kúrò lára lọ. Àbàwọn tó ń gbé kúrò wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ mú orí ẹ̀ mú dẹ̀ sọ wọn pé ẹ stọ́ọ̀bù ẹ má gbé e. Ìyẹn ṣàgbé orí lọ́rọ̀ kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àṣà ìgbéra rẹ̀ gbé lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá. Ṣé ní tútù lẹ gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ bàbá yìí? Wọ́n ti sún síbẹ̀ ta pé ó ti jóná. Kì í ṣe pé ó ti gbẹ báyìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí ìgbẹ. Bàbá yìí kì í ṣe pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń bẹ. Kí lorúkọ ti ní? Ẹ̀jẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀rọ báwọn ìbò ṣe sí. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni? Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ̀yin ṣe? Irú mọ́tò wo? Lọ sí ibo? Káàkiri. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló gbé yín débi? Odindi orí ẹ̀wọ̀n gbé bàtẹ́wà gbé nǹkan. Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe mọ ọkùnrin pé àwọn ló máa ń rà?
Wọ́n máa ń ra àwọn ẹyin adìrẹ lọ́wọ́ ìdílé.
Ṣàdúgbò ẹ̀ náà ń gbé ni.
Sí kan náà.
So ti mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ ìṣègùn náà ń ṣe. Yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí àwọn míì wo ló ti tà fún wọn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀?
Lẹ́yìn àwọn adìrẹ.
Èló lẹ wá tà?
tó dàdé tọ́jọ́ wa gbé fún wọn bá ṣe gbé fún wa tó pẹ̀lú ìdá.
Ṣé sọ fún wọn pé orí ọlọ́pàá ni?
A sọ fún wọn pé orí ló wà ní wọ́n dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí láti àti àrẹ spinning fún wọn pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ láti ilé lálẹ́ sí pẹ̀lú ìdá wọ́n pè wá padà.
Níbo ni bí báyìí? Níbo ni bí báyìí?
A sọ fún wọn pé wò ló.
All these things were carted away from Iseyin police station during the EndSARS process, and these suspects were arrested. These motorcycles, different types, were recovered from them from different locations. They took all these things away from the station. Some of them are exhibit motorcycles on the motorcycles. So these are the motorcycles.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni yín? Iṣẹ́ wo lẹ ń ṣe? Kí ni nǹkan tó gbé yín débi báyìí?
Ẹ̀sùn gbé mi dé ìbàdàn náà ní EndSARS, wọ́n dẹ̀ mú mi lọ́jọ́ yẹn lóru mi mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Wọ́n sì gbé mi dé ìbàdàn yìí nìyẹn. Mi ò gbé fún máa ń sọ pé mi ò gbé kankan bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n mú yín lóru níbo gangan náà?
Níṣẹ́ náà tí mo mú nínú ilé wa náà tí wàá gbé mi lóru.
Kí lẹ́yìn fi rò pé ìṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀yìn nìkan náà mú nínú ilé yín?
Mo máa ń yàn ládùúgbò náà.
No, nínú ilé ti yín. Báyìí tó fi jẹ́ pẹ̀yìn nìkan náà mú nínú ilé yín.
Wọ́n ilẹ̀ gbé Márúwá, lẹ́yìn ilẹ̀ gbé Márúwá, níbo lẹ ti rí Márúwá?
Àwọn olóògbé wa, níbo náà ti gbé Márúwá wa? Tẹ̀sán bo. Kí náà wá ṣe sí Márúwá yẹn? Àwọn wo? Náà wọ́n fáwọn náà jímù wọn yẹn. Àti ta ni ẹni wà bẹ́ẹ̀? Elé nǹkan?
Ìbọn tó bá lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ńkọ́? Níbo ló ti kó ìbọn tó bá lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀? Kí ló fẹ́ fi ìbọn station tó kó ṣe? Kí ló fẹ́ fi ṣe? Ìbọn mélòó ló kó?
Báwo ló ṣe gbàgbọ́ yẹn?
Mo dọ́jọ́ àwọn sójà ń wọlé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣẹ́tù wọ́n ti pa àwọn ọmọ ìlú náà ti kú àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti yìnbọn fún àwọn èèyàn sójà yẹn wá dé wọn sọ pé tó jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ ìlú ráyè súnmọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá nìyẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn tí àwọn sójà dẹ̀ ti pààkì mọ́tò méjì wọ́n fi mọ́tò sójà àwọn ọmọ ìlú fi dìfẹ́ǹdì lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ráyè súnmọ́ police station yẹn láwọn àwọn agbèrò súnmọ́ bẹ̀ ìgbà tí ó rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tó tí wọ́n pa ọlọ́pàá yẹn àwọn kéékèèké mẹ́rin wọ́n gbé wọn yẹn lọ ọwọ́ wọn ni mo ti gbà.
Kí ni ìwọ wá fẹ́ fi ṣe?
Mo ti ṣe ọkọ sá.
Ó gba abọ́n òfin ṣe wọn gan. Ṣé o gbé lọlé àbò gbé lọlé?
Mo gbé lọ́rí
Bọ́lá tó wá rí.
Wọ́n á gbé sígbà tó gbà tán.
mo fi àwọn èèyàn ní pé kí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́.
Ibo ló kọ́kọ́ gbé lọ?
Mo gbé lọ sínú Bódìjà.
Kí ló gbé lọ ṣe nínú Bódìjà?
Àwọn ìgbọ̀n tí wọ́n sọ pé EndSARS náà làwọn yẹn náà ṣe àlọ́ dìfẹ́ǹdì police station Aṣí. Àwa ní police station Aṣí lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ wá bá police station Aṣí jẹ́ àwọn aráwọ̀ lé wọn padà sẹ́yìn lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Nígbà tí mo dẹ̀ gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn padà mo pe àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n yẹn.
Ṣáṣí ni wọ́n ń gbé ni.
Níbo? Ẹ̀gbọ́n wo ló pè? Kí lorúkọ ẹ̀?
Rashid
Tiamiyu.
àti Dada.
Akọjú síwájú.
Olùkọ́ ní Dámírì, ó dẹ̀ pè mí fún òwe kan. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá, mo ní bolo ti rí ó ní ọjọ́ mi náà tó fẹ́ fi ṣe mi ò ní ìdí ẹ̀. Dàdá dẹ̀ wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi nígbà láyé dàdá láyé jókòó. Dàdá dẹ̀ ní pé kó máa gbé bọ̀ ní akẹ́lẹ̀. Bàbá ní kó máa gbé bọ̀ ní akẹ́lẹ̀ mi, ọmọ ẹ̀dá láti sọ pé mo gbé ọ̀kadà. Dàdá dẹ̀ lọ mú ọ̀kadà méjì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ká lọ gbà fún mi.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀jọ́ lọ lórí ọ̀kadà. So wọ́n á fi sọ pé òun mọ̀ ń pa pé ẹ lọ gba ìbọn. Kí ló tó ẹ fi lè lọ síbẹ̀ láti pé ẹ lọ gbé ọ̀kadà bá?
Dàdá ló lè bá lọ gbà lọ́wọ́. Dàdá ló gbé fún mi.
Báwo ni dàdá ṣe jẹ́sẹ̀? Àbúrò yín.
Ṣé dàdá wà mí?
Èdè Òyìnbó. Báwo ló ṣe ṣe? Kí lorúkọ yín? Rashid kí ni?